Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel app easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select the erase color to back color black. Then duplicate the photo, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button on, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.